Alright, hey guys, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video I want to discuss backlink tools, backlink generators, backlink SEO tools, really anything that creates and generates backlinks. As I'm walking back, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Christmas. Enjoy your family, and I'll be back in the office. Have a wonderful Christmas. Goodbye. Now, this has been a common question that I have been receiving while I'm on vacation, so I wanted to go ahead and address this. So first and foremost, in proper SEO, you should absolutely, positively not be using backlink generator tools and creating a backlink. Automatically generating a backlink absolutely should not be pointed at your website. Now, with that being said, let's say perhaps that you have an AA link within it or anything of that nature, something that is a trusted link, and you want to build Generate or Scrapebox or Money Robot or any of these tools to generate backlinks to your website. That is an absolute positive no. You do not want to send automated backlinks to your website. Okay? Now, with that said, like I mentioned before, if you want to, put out automatic blog comments or automatic comments to a guest post, or maybe you want to use GSA to start sending links into the bottom of your G stack, or something along those lines where it is tiered out, that is acceptable, but you have to remember that is not doing proper SEO. Proper SEO has to do a lot with guest posts, using PBNs. That's a little bit more gray hat, but anything that if someone were to look at it, you could say, oh, this is why it's here. Plausible deniability. Anything that you build to your website, there has to be a reason why. It has to be clean. You have to be able to show to Google or to whomever that this was built and here's the reason why, without having any problem showing it. It's kind of like if you were to look at things like the IRS. Are you scared to show this to the IRS? If the answer is yes, then it should not be built. So that's really going to wrap up the question. I don't know why that came to me to explain it that way with the IRS, but if you're building links and they are not 100% something that you want to show to Google, then it should not be built and it needs to be tiered out. So to answer the question at the end of this, can you use SE Nuke? Can you use GSA? Can you use Scrapebox? Can you use Money Robot? Yes, but it needs to be tiered out properly and it cannot be pointed directly at your site. So for everyone who has asked me this question, can these tools be used? Absolutely. Can you generate backlinks using these tools? Absolutely. But make sure that you're tiering them out. And if you have any more questions regarding backlinks, SEO tools, Facebook ads, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, local SEO, national SEO, really anything digital marketing related or SEO related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.